Hey everyone, I'm Abby from UPDF, and in today's video, we'll explore how to generate a complete business plan using simple prompts. Along with that, we'll demonstrate how to generate a business plan based on the format of an uploaded PDF business plan using UPDF AI online, on mobile, and on desktop. So click the link in the description to follow along step by step. Before getting started, let's see how to download UPDF and use UPDF AI on various platforms like online, desktop, and mobile. Let's first see how you can download and access UPDF on desktop. Open your browser and type UPDF. Now, click Download UPDF to open the download page. Next, click the free download button under the Windows or Mac section to get the latest version of UPDF Desktop. Mac users can also download UPDF directly from the Mac App Store.
You can also download UPDF using the link in the description box below.
After installing UPDF, select Open File to upload an existing PDF business plan. Alternatively, to create a blank PDF, head to Tools and choose the blank PDF option on the homepage. Now, open your PDF, click the UPDF AI icon located in the top right corner and click Ask PDF when working with an uploaded business plan. You can also select Chat to interact with a blank PDF. Android and iPhone users can also use UPDF directly on their mobile devices. Let me show you how to download and use UPDF on mobile devices. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and look up UPDF via the search box. Next, click the Instant or Get option to download the latest version of UPDF on your mobile device. Now, launch UPDF on your mobile devices and click the plus button to upload your PDF file and open. From the interface of the uploaded PDF file, click the UPDF AI option to get started. Alternatively, you can click the UPDF AI button at the bottom, then choose Ask PDF and click the Select PDF to chat with an imported file. Also, you can chat without uploading a PDF, and for that, simply tap the UPDF AI chat option. Now let's take a look of how to access UPDF AI online directly in your web browser without installing any tool. First, open your browser and type UPDF AI. Then, click on the first link that will redirect you to UPDF AI. Next, click the Click, Drag, or Paste PDF/image here button to upload your PDF file. You can also drag and drop PDFs. After uploading the PDF, click the Send icon to begin the process. Desktop users can also access the UPDF AI online version directly from the UPDF desktop by clicking the AI icon. Similarly, upload your PDF here and click the Send icon to start the process. Now that you know how to download UPDF and access UPDF AI on desktop, mobile, and online, let's see how to generate a complete business plan using simple prompts. You can follow these steps to generate a business plan using simple prompts on your desktop. From the Open Blank PDF, click the UPDF AI button and select the chat icon. Now, enter your first prompt, such as, "My business concept involves establishing a veterinary practice. I shall operate in London, utilizing English as the language of communication and the pound sterling as the currency. Can you help me find one uniqueness of my business and generate a name for my business?" Soon, the tool will generate a business name and uniqueness of your business. After choosing uniqueness and one brand name, ask UPDF AI to generate a business plan for you. For that, you can use the following prompt. "Now, according to the information above, help me generate a business plan." Within seconds, you will see a clear, professional business plan on your screen. If you want a more detailed and specific business plan, you can ask AI to generate a comparative analysis against competitors by using the following simple prompt. "Analyze the premium pet healthcare markets in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, explaining Banfield, VCA, and leading local independent clinics. Focus on service, technology, pricing, satisfaction, and market share, comparing the project's differentiated strengths and weaknesses with supporting data presented in a comparative format." Now, ask UPDF AI to compile it into a business plan by using the following prompt. Please incorporate the above content into the proposal. Once your business plan is generated, you can copy it directly or export it as a plain text for easy use. To export the text, click the three-dot menu and choose the Export option. Next, enter a file name, choose the export format like text, and click Save. Now let's see how to generate a business plan using UPDF AI on mobile devices. To generate a new business plan using UPDF AI, go to Chat mode, type your prompt, and click the Send icon. Soon, you will get a business plan on your mobile screen, so click the Copy option to get it. You can directly use UPDF AI online in your web browser to generate a business plan. Let's see how this process works. Go to UPDF AI online interface, type the prompt, and click the send icon to generate a new business plan. Once your business plan is generated, you can copy it by clicking the copy option. Now I'll be showing you how to generate a business plan from an uploaded PDF template. You can follow these steps to generate a business plan from an uploaded PDF template on your desktop. To begin the process, click on the downloaded PDF file and click the UPDF AI button. Now, type prompts under Ask PDF mode by clicking the Chat with PDF option. Next, type a prompt to generate a business plan based on the format and click the send icon. Soon, the tool will generate a business plan based on the format. Now, you can either copy the business plan by clicking the copy option or export it as a text file. You can follow these steps to generate a business plan from an uploaded PDF template on your mobile devices. Now, type the prompt to generate a business plan based on the uploaded PDF business plan under Ask PDF mode. Once your business plan is generated, you can click Copy to copy the response. You can also export the response by clicking the Export option. Next, choose an export format, such as text, and select the export location. Let's say to generate a business plan from an upload PDF template online. Upload a PDF in UPDF AI online, type the prompt to generate your business plan, and click Send. Once the business plan is generated, click the copy option to copy it. That's a complete walkthrough of how you can generate a business plan with UPDF on various platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon. This way you'll never miss future tutorials that make working with documents easier. See you in the next video.